Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save ChatGPT conversation as PDF, PNG or HTML file. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google, that is github.com and ChatGPT download. Hit enter and then you need to open the first website. And from here you can download it for Windows, for Mac, for Linux. So I'm using for the Windows, so let me show you. I already download, so then you need to open that, and here I'm going to generate a response. Write 100-word essay about technology. Okay, then you need to hit enter. So it will take let me refresh it. Click on regenerate response. Let me open it again. Okay, here you need to click on write 100-word essay about technology. So it will take a few seconds, and here you can see that it starts generating. So okay, once it's generated, you have different options here. So you want to save it as PNG, click on that, and I want to save it as PDF as well. Okay, so how you can find it? You simply need to go back, open your PC, go to your Windows, and then you need to go into the user, then your name. Here you need to click on ChatGPT, and then you need to click on download, and here you can see the conversation as PNG, and here you can see PDF as well. And by following this process, you can also save it as HTML file. So this is a process by which you can save ChatGPT conversation as PDF, PNG or HTML file. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.